Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to share your location on Google Maps using your mobile phone. Whether you want to let your friends know where you are or you're meeting someone at a new place, this feature makes it super easy and accurate. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Make sure your location, service, or GPS is turned on so Google can find your current position. Now, you'll see a blue dot on the map that's your current location. Tap on that blue dot, and a small menu will pop up at the bottom of your screen. Next, tap Share Your Location. You'll now see an option to choose how long you want to share your live location. For example, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or until you turn it off. Once you select the duration, you'll see different ways to share it. You can send it through WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, or directly with a link. Just choose your preferred app or contact and tap Share. The person you share it with will receive a link that opens your live location in Google Maps. They'll be able to see where you are and track your movement in real time until your timer runs out or you manually stop sharing. And if you ever want to stop sharing early, just go back to Google Maps, tap the blue dot again, and select Stop Sharing. It's that simple. You've just learned how to share your location in Google Maps using your mobile phone. This is super helpful for road trips, meetups, or even keeping family updated on your journey. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy mobile tutorials like this.